First, you'll need to open a PowerPoint. Once that is open, select a blank presentation and delete the text boxes out of the first slide. This is the slide that you will use to make your collage. On your browser, so that's usually something like Chrome, you can find lots of different images to use in your collage. So here I'm going to start with the Queen. I've used a right click to copy and a right click to paste. And then I'm just changing the size by dragging one of the corners into the middle. And then I'm on to my next picture on my next tab, or you could do a new search, right click, copy, go back to your presentation, right click again and paste. Change the size again. And now I'm going back to my browser again, right click, copy. Now I've preloaded all of these pictures in lots of different tabs, but you could easily search them one by one as you go along. Change the size. Now I've sped up the video so that you can see me collecting my images a little bit quicker. So you just need to search for what you're interested in or a picture that represents pop culture, copy and paste until you've got all of those in. Not worrying too much about size at this moment, you're just placing them where they're going to go at the end. Next, we're going to crop. So again, we're right clicking and looking for that picture crop. You can also find that picture of crop in format. Once you've clicked on crop, you'll have these black marks come up all around your picture, and you can use these to move them in or out to change the shape of the picture. So I want all of these to be perfect squares. So I'm just cropping that in to make them more like squares, as often pictures will come as rectangles. Once you've moved them in, don't forget to press that crop button again, and that will cut off the extra bits that you don't want. If cropping isn't right or you already have a square, then you can just use the circles on the corners to drag in to make it smaller or bigger to fit your grid. Now I've sped up the video again so you can see me quickly doing lots of cropping. So I'm cropping the pictures, or I'm making them smaller or bigger to fit the grid and to make them all line up perfectly. It's quite fiddly. You need to move them about quite a lot and fiddle around with them to get them all perfect. Once you're ready and you have your 9 pictures lined up, you can save somewhere on your computer that you'll remember where, and save it with your name first and then Peter Blake, so you know what project this was. And then don't forget to upload that to show my homework. Good luck, guys!